Canon Stewart, thank you very, very much. Okay, so over by the tree, if you can see our mayor. There she is, and she's got some little elves helpers. So what we'd like to do is, it is 6:30, and for another time this Christmas, we're going to count down from 10. And then hopefully the lights will come on. Okay, Canon Stewart has given me the touch of luck, so we'll be all right. So are you ready, everybody? Yeah. Hope someone's videoing this, and I want this put on Frimley Grapevine if you don't mind. It'll really help tell the other lot that they missed something. Okay, so thank you for coming, because I know as soon as this happens, we're off. So here we go. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! It worked!
Merry Christmas!
Well done, thank you, Canon Stewart. We needed you there. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the bit of stuff going on there. So, hopefully you enjoyed our little bit there. I don't know if I can get you all dancing, but I'll try.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Have an
Merry
amazing Christmas and New Year.